In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. 99 names of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, each with a brief explanation. 1. Al-Amin, the trustworthy, known for his trustworthiness and honesty, even before receiving prophethood. 2. As-Sadiq, the truthful, earned the title for his honesty and sincerity. 3. Al-Mustafa, the chosen one, selected by Allah as the final prophet and messenger. 4. Ar-Rasul, the messenger, sent by Allah to convey his message to humanity. 5. Al-Mu'allim, the teacher, taught and imparted knowledge to his companions and followers. 6. Al-Hadi, the guide, guided people to the path of righteousness and truth. 7. Al-Awwal, the first, among the first in his commitment to Allah and Islam. 8. Al-Akhir, the last, the final prophet in a long line of messengers. 9. Ar-Rahmatul Alamin, the mercy to the worlds, a mercy to all of creation. 10. Al-Mubashir, the bearer of good news, conveyed glad tidings to believers. 11. An-Nazir, the warner, warned people of the consequences of disbelief. 12. Al-Bashir, the announcer of good, brought news of Allah's mercy to believers. 13. Al-Burik, the lightning, rode the miraculous steed during the night journey. 14. Al-Makafi, the sufficient, provided for the needs of his followers. 15. Al-Mudhaka, the reminder, reminded people of their purpose in life. 16. Al-Mutamad, the reliant, relied completely on Allah in all matters. 17. Al-Mutawakkil, the trusting, placed his trust in Allah in all situations. 18. Al-Mustasha, the one consulted with his companions and sought their opinions. 19. Al-Musla, the reformer, worked to bring positive change in society. 20. Al-Mujtaba, the chosen one, chosen by Allah for his divine mission. 21. Al-Muqarrab, the close, had a close and special relationship with Allah. 22. Al-Masin, the beneficent, showed kindness and goodness to all. 23. Al-Mujib, the responsive, responded to the needs and prayers of his followers. 24. Al-Mutawahid, the monotheist, firmly believed in and preached monotheism. 25. Al-Mujawad, the generous, exemplified generosity in his character. 26. Al-Muhaymin, the guardian and protector of the message of Islam. 27. Al-Mukhlis, the sincere in his devotion to Allah and his mission. 28. Al-Muttaqi, the God-fearing, possessed a strong sense of taqwa, piety. 29. Al-Muqim, the establisher, established justice and fairness. 30. Al-Mubarak, the blessed, a source of blessing for all. 31. Al-Muwafiq, the successful, achieved success in both worlds. 32. Al-Mutaha, the purified by Allah from all imperfections. 33. Al-Mubalai, the one who conveyed the message of Islam to humanity. 34. Al-Muhaqqiq, the verifier of truth, verified the truth of divine revelation. 35. Al-Mutabat, the follower of divine guidance, followed Allah's guidance faithfully. 36. Al-Murshid, the guide, guided people to the straight path. 37. Al-Mustamin, the trusted one, trusted by both allies and adversaries. 38. Al-Muqlid, the obedient to Allah's commands. 39. Al-Mukarram, the honored by Allah and respected by his followers. 40. Al-Mukam, the upright, maintained steadfastness and righteousness. 41. Al-Musafi, the healer, provided spiritual healing to his followers. 42. Al-Mujaddid, the renewer, renewed faith and practices in his time. 43. Al-Murabit, the unifier, unified various tribes and communities. 44. Al-Mubram, the confirmed, the truth of his prophethood was confirmed. 45. Al-Mubdi, the originator, initiator and founder of a new way of life. 46. Al-Mashhid, the witness, a witness to the truth of divine revelation. 47. Al-Maqsid, the intended one, Allah's intention behind his mission was fulfilled. 48. Al-Majid the Glorious, glorious in his character and mission, 49. Al-Bud the One worshipped Allah alone and guided others to do the same, 50. Al-Maqsid the intended one, Allah's intention behind his mission was fulfilled, 51. Al-Muqil the one entrusted with the responsibility of delivering Allah's message, 52. Al-Muqim the establisher, established justice and fairness among his followers, 53. Al-Muhaddith the speaker, spoke with wisdom and eloquence, 54. Al-Mutawakkil the trusting, relied completely on Allah's guidance, 55. Al-Mutakalim the communicator, communicated Allah's message to humanity, 56. Al-Mudhaka the reminder, reminded people of their duties and responsibilities, 57. Al-Mu'izz the honorer, honored and elevated the status of the believers, 58. Al-Mu'azzam the esteemed and respected by those around him, 59. Al-Mudhaka the reminder, reminded people of their duties and responsibilities, 60. Al-Mutakabir the majestic in his humility and devotion to Allah, 61. Al-Muzir the manifested Allah's signs and miracles, 62. Al-Mufarish the distinguished between right and wrong, 63. Al-Mukhlis the sincere in his devotion to Allah and his mission, 64. Al-Muqlid the obedient to Allah's commands, 65. Al-Mubtadi the initiated positive changes in society, 66. Al-Mudabbir the planned and organized matters for the benefit of his followers, 67. Al-Muntasir the victorious, achieved victory in both spiritual and worldly matters, 68. Al-Mutatabi the follower of divine guidance, followed Allah's guidance faithfully, 69. Al-Munqid the rescuer, rescued people from ignorance and darkness, 70. Al-Muhaymin the guardian and protector of the message of Islam, 71. Al-Masabid the initiated positive changes in society, 72. Al-Mujahid the strived and struggled for the cause of Allah, 73. Al-Muqim the established justice and fairness among his followers, 74. Al-Munazza the chosen one, chosen by Allah for his divine mission, 75. Al-Muqawwim the sustained and supported his followers, 76. Al-Mu'izz the honorer, honored and elevated the status of the believers, 77. Al-Mu'azzam the esteemed and respected by those around him, 78. Al-Mutahhir the purified by Allah from all imperfections, 79. Al-Munawwir the illuminated the hearts of believers with guidance, 80. Al-Muqlid the obedient to Allah's commands, 81. Al-Muslah the reformer, worked to bring positive change in society, 82. Al-Mubayyin the clarified the truths of Islam to his followers, 83. Al-Muhajir the emigrant, migrated for the sake of Allah and Islam, 84. Al-Mukhrij the expelled falsehood and ignorance, 85. Al-Mutawakkil the trusting, relied completely on Allah's guidance, 86. Al-Mutawafi the one whose soul is taken, Allah took his soul at the appointed time, 87. Al-Musharraf the honored and dignified by Allah, 88. Al-Mushfiq the compassionate towards all of creation, 89. Al-Mufli the successful, achieved success in both worlds, 90. Al-Mustafi the pure in heart and character, 91. Al-Muhib the beloved by Allah and his creation, 92. Al-Muqbil the coming, his coming was foretold in previous scriptures, 93. Al-Mujahid the strived and struggled for the cause of Allah, 94. Al-Mutawakkil the relied completely on Allah in all matters, 95. Al-Mutahhir the purified by Allah from all imperfections. 96. Al-Mustashfa, the healer, a source of spiritual and physical healing. 97. Al-Mutlaq, the absolute, absolute in his obedience and devotion to Allah. 98. Al-Musami, the named one, named by Allah in the Quran. 99. Al-Mutamim, the perfect, perfecting character and fulfillment of his mission.